Sardaar. So here is some, let's talk about the last video. Last video I have taken some 4 to 5 things that I have installed in my PC, but today I have taken what I have installed in my PC and which type of wireless networking I am using in my PC, and which is what kind of tripod I am using for my iPhone for making the videos and all, and photographies and all that. So here we go. So here is one tripod which is maybe you have seen in most of videos, but this is very good for the DSLRs also, but mostly people use this for DSLR only because it's a good, you can see it, we can make it proper way and any kind of shape we can make it, and it's a very good and very proper. It's having a rubber support which cannot be slippery, and very tight grip also it's having. So this is a good thing. What I used for a week, and that's a good, what we say, good result. And here if we want to put our DSLR also, so just push this button and wait a minute, and here we can take on and put our DSLR cameras and all that. So this is for the sorry, you cannot see. This is for those who are having mobile phones and want to make videos for mobiles, and it's having a cheap price also. It's of $200. Sorry, my mistake. It's of 200 rupees or 300 rupees. It's a very cost is having less, and this is very cool thing which it's having a low cost also, and better who can't afford DSLRs and cameras, they can buy this and make videos with their phones and slow motions and all that. I will make the slow motion also with this also. And let's move on to next. Now I'm going to take this TP-Link wireless network adapter. Sorry, here, because I already opened and used this. So you cannot see properly here. Here is the TP-Link wireless adapter. I have used this for 2 weeks, around approx, or 3 weeks, or a month ago. Let's take 1 month ago, and that's a good result. It's a good result. 150 Mbps speed. And let's move on to its box. What they are having in the box? As you can see here 150 Mbps and 2.4 gigahertz speed we are getting, and it will support in our Mac, PC, laptops and all. And for this let's unbox and show you what is this. We will get here our this nano adapter. Then let's go to back afterwards. Then if we will just wait a minute. If we'll just flip this or open this, we will get the driver's CD. Here's the driver's CD. This you have to install it, then only it will work this adapter, and some guidance, quick installation guidance and all, because we don't know all this. Wait a minute. Here quick guidance or not. And see, here you can see about the Mac also for installing. Here, sorry, this is for Windows, and here is about the Mac. For those who can't know how to install it, there's this, but I know how to install it. This not a need of me, and just a CD which is having drivers. So these all things are there in the box. And let's go and talk about the back side of the box. What is the back side in the box? We are having this speed is of 150 Mbps. I have shown it's having a green LED inside, which when we connect it into it, it blinks at a green light here. where it's written TP-Link, and as you can see here, the photo is given. Just plug it, install the drivers, and you can easily engage your Wi-Fi with this. And those who are not having drivers, or drivers are gone, deleted, or maybe drivers is if you have just installed and then also it's not working, means the driver has gone, or it's destroyed or whatever. I'm not getting the words, but let's go on. And it's a good work thing, that's why they have made this, and very good, because there are more types of adapters, 300 Mbps, and there are Wi-Fi card also, like a graphic card thing, but I am not installed that because which I have chosen the motherboard. In that 2 slot something it's not having, that's why I not. Let's get in on. And it's a good and here it's shown also that we can use in Windows, Mac, and Linux also. Linux is an operating software, somebody knows, but for those who don't know, Linux is also an operating system, and Ubuntu is also an operating system. But best two are there, Mac and Windows, which I am using Windows 10 now. But surely I will get into Mac because I don't like Windows. Okay, let's move on. And because the TP-Link is a very branded thing and very good thing, I am using two types of two routers. I am using of TP-Link, sorry, one of TP-Link and one of D-Link, sorry, one of TP-Link and one of D-Link. TP-Link is my main router, and D-Link I am using dual brand, is that D-Link. So that's why I am going to make that also video on that. And let's go on to my power supply. As I have shown in my, when I have got some when I get this thing all with this I have got from this was a Corsair, and it's having a 550 watts power supply. And this power supply I've already shown you, because in my last video I have told that what things I have used in my PC I will retell that all the features and all things, because properly I'm not told about the parts of my PCs, and I have installed in my next video. Sorry about that. I have told also that in my last video that I will open my PC and I will show that what parts I have used and how I have installed that in my case. So sorry about that, but I am making this video because my Wi-Fi is not working properly, so that's why it's going work of that. That's why. So here is my 550 watts power Corsair, and it's having a good performance also and good voltage, because I am using in my PC 5 LED fans, one SSD, 2 terabyte of one terabytes of 2 hard drives, and maybe I'm going to install LED also in that. So that's why. Let's move on. Let's talk about the power supply. And here is the power supply. It's having of 3-year warranties everyone is giving, but this is very branded, and all people are using this Corsair power supply, because mostly I have taken some reviews of this and seen the videos about this, so that's why I have chosen this power supply. There are many types of power supply in the Corsair. There is 450 watts, 450 watts, 550 watts, and 1000 watts also. But this is the what we say in between. So it's not a bad also and not good also, not a better also. It's in a better. Not excellent also. This is a better or best thing in between them. And it's having a low cost also. And sorry about that, I have not told what's the price of TP-Link. Just going to say now only after completing this. So it's having of power. This power supplies. This power supply's value is maybe of 4,000 approx, 4 to 5,000 in Amazon. From Amazon I have got this. And let's see the specification of this. it's have AC input for 250 watts to 450 watts, and current at 5 amperes and frequency of 47 to 63 hertz. So this was the graph. Sorry, maybe I'm going to not read, but the here is the written here. Fan noise describable, sorry, and the efficiency of input and or system load, system loads of that it's giving graph. And just you can pause the video and read it properly, because my video clarity is very good, as you have seen many videos of mine. And let's get back to the TP-Link. And this TP-Link's price is of 800 rupees to 700 rupees in Amazon, or maybe I'm wrong because I got this cheap, approx, maybe I'm not sure, because I have taken this thing about 2 months, just used this thing for a month, and I'm having this like adapters, total 3 adapters I am having, one of compact, one of and 2 of TP-Link. Yeah, 2 of one I am using in my desktop only, and one is for my laptop, compact laptop. For my laptop, it's that white one, compact, and this is the extra if in any case I want to use. So that's the thing which I am using, this TP-Link for the Wi-Fi, because in my 2 laptop also the drivers are not there, so that's why I have installed many time but not getting the result. So here is the thing which I have used this all, and it's a very and a low cost also, that everyone could afford it and use it for making videos, for the Wi-Fi, and for the PC power supply. So this was the today's video, and I will back in another video. So adios.